Rani, also you receive your deliverance. You receive your deliverance. Deliverance in the dreams. Deliverance in the dreams is taking place right now. Rajrani for you. Rakodos, Srimbradis. Christian, do some, because there is a business grace upon your life. I do not know what do you do, kya kar rahi hain aap in regards of business, but I am seeing a special business grace upon your life. Do something. मैं जैसे आपको देखा, I saw you were doing something in the past, but that was successful नहीं हुआ. But this is the time, this is the season. Do it again. I'm telling you, do it again. God is going to exalt that business. God is going to increase that. In the name of Jesus Christ, I speak. I declare and decree right now.
पास्टर जी, सिस्टर राज रानी का पास्टर जी, सिस्टर राज रानी का फिश एंड चिप्स का बिजनेस था, बट उन्होंने बंद कर दिया. और अभी सिस्टर राज रानी, इनके हस्बैंड जो से, इनका फैमिली में इनके यही सर्कल है, ये फिश एंड चिप्स की शॉप्स रन करते हैं.
और इनके ऊपर मैं बात कर रहा था